This video will help you to subscribe to Rescu. If you haven't already, download Rescu on your smartphone. Rescu is available on the Apple App Store and Google Play. Please refer back to this video or any of our other how-to videos in our Rescu video library. With Rescu downloaded, start by either typing in your email address or signing in with Facebook. Now, if you sign in with Facebook, you can skip the password setup. Enter a password and then confirm it by typing it one more time. If they don't match, you'll be notified. You can see the password you're entering by tapping the eyeball icon to the right. Next, enter your name and phone number. Be sure the phone number is correct, since a verification code will be sent via SMS text message to this number. Now it's time to set up your first dispatch address. Typically, this will be your home, but it can be your workplace, school, or any other address where you feel you may need emergency help. The autocomplete feature will make setup a little easier. The nearest cross street is the closest intersection to the dispatch address you set up. This helps emergency services locate your address. Enter a friendly nickname for your address, such as home, office, or mom's house, for example. This will be visible to you when you select an address for dispatch. This is just for convenience, and you're the only one who will see this address nickname. Next, Rescu will send you a verification code via SMS text message. Type in the verification code and then tap Verify. Select the subscription you'd like. You can choose either yearly or monthly. The yearly option provides the best value. If you have a promo code, you can enter that in the box below. Select Next to continue. Enter your payment information, then click Next and confirm your billing address. A payment summary box will appear with the payment amount. Click Agree. Next, read and agree to the Rescu terms and conditions. Once that's complete, your account is created. Click Proceed to set up your first emergency contact. Rescu always notifies the appropriate emergency services when you need help. In addition, you can have Rescu notify your friends and family. Here you can enter your first emergency contact. You can enter a contact manually, or you can import a contact from your phone's contact list. You can also skip this step for now and add contacts later. Let's go ahead and enter a contact in manually by entering the name, a mobile phone number that's able to receive text messages, and finally, an email address. Your setup is complete. Rescu will be in test mode for 3 days. During this time, you can use all the features of Rescu without actually having emergency services sent to your address. You can see the countdown here as it shows you the number of days remaining until Rescu is live and fully functional. After the 3 days, Rescu is live. You can always put Rescu back into test mode by using the test mode feature from the menu. We hope this video tutorial has been helpful, and we appreciate the time you've taken with us today. Check us out at rescusaveslives.com. Please subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell to receive notifications. Thank you.